there, drawing fans! Welcome back, and today we're gonna turn an ordinary letter G into the king of the monsters, Godzilla! That's right! My name's Steve Harpster. I'm an author, illustrator, cartoonist, and YouTuber, and this is my second channel. I have an animation channel called
The Harpster Draws His World,
and you can check that out if you like. I believe drawing is a superpower because you use your imagination, you create all kinds of awesome things, and that's what we're gonna do today. So grab a pencil and let's start drawing. So to draw Godzilla, we're gonna start with a capital letter G, and then we're going to add some eyes to our capital letter G, just floating above. Add some angry eyebrows as well. And then we're going to start by drawing a line that goes from the eye over like this with some lines. There's Godzilla's nose. Now we need to add some teeth. So we're going to draw some sharp, pointy Godzilla teeth. And we're going to add some right here to the bottom as well. And this little line of our letter G, I'll show you what we're going to do at the end of the video with that. So stay tuned for that. We have Godzilla's face. Now we're going to add the body. Now I'm drawing in an app called Procreate. It's for the iPad. And you can draw in your favorite drawing app or on a piece of paper. Let's draw the back of our character. We're going to draw a curved line here. And then a curved line here at the end of the G. We're going to draw a jaw for our monster. And then the front of the body right there. Let's give Godzilla some really big legs and feet. So we're going to draw a big, fun shape like this. I'm going to add some toenails and these little lines for where the knee bends. And then we need to connect right here. We need to connect that line. We also need to draw another leg on the other side. We're going to draw a hint of that leg with some of those toenails. And those little lines for the knees. So now we have a good start to Godzilla. Let's draw the arms. So we're going to draw, now Godzilla doesn't have very big arms, so we're going to draw these little lines here for the start of the arms with some sharp, pointy Godzilla fingers. And let's draw another arm over here. 2 lines for the arm, and then again, sharp, pointy Godzilla fingers. Draw some of the scales here for the belly. We're just going to draw little lines here with some, and I'm not connecting them, I'm just adding these small lines, just adding some little detail. We also can add some gill flaps right here, because Godzilla can breathe underwater. And there's a good start to our Godzilla monster. We need to draw the big tail. So make sure you have some room. It might run off the edge of your paper, and that's okay if it does. Well, we're going to start by drawing a line right here, and it's going to go up like so. And then let's bring that tail back around. We're going to follow the end of the tail. We're going to come back around, just taking our time. And let's make sure, make it a pretty good sized tail. And drawing some little lines there in that tail. Now we need to add those big giant Godzilla spikes. Just have fun with this part. You can get really detailed with those spikes. You can draw lots of them. It's up to you, like what kind of spikes you want to add. Godzilla has definitely changed throughout the years. And now for some details. Like on the spikes, we could draw lines like so. And then we can add some little tick marks all over the body. These help to break up the spaces. There's very large spaces here on Godzilla's body. And this gives a little bit of visual attention. And there you go, we have Godzilla. However, this Godzilla, I told you we were going to do something with the end right there, and that's where we're going to add some atomic breath. So what we're going to do is we're just going to draw. You can draw a line here to the G and then bring it out like so, and then another line right there. And then let's fill that with whatever color you would like to add for Godzilla's atomic plasma breath. And I'm going to add a nice bright white highlight in there as well. And there you go. Now you got Godzilla with atomic breath. Hey artists, I want to tell you all about members-only art sites called Harptooniacs. You're gonna love it, and there's some free lessons below this video that you can check out. The best thing about Harptooniacs, there's all kinds of videos that you can't find here on YouTube, and it's a lot of fun. So make sure you check out the free lessons below, try it out. You can spin a picker wheel, there's worksheets to download and print, and it's just so much fun. Can't wait to see you there. When Godzilla's done destroying a city, it builds up a pretty big appetite, and where does Godzilla go? That's right, it goes to Burger King, yeah. So let's go ahead and feed our Godzilla. How about some French fries? Put those right in your hand there, Godzilla. What do you think of that? Okay, Godzilla, and what else? Oh, we also need to give Godzilla a Godzilla-sized Whopper. Yeah, you want to take a bite of that? There. Godzilla-sized Whopper. I'm going to set that right on top of the building. And another thing that Godzilla really enjoys when going to a Burger King, and that is, yeah, every kid likes to get those Burger King crowns. Let's go ahead and put that right on Godzilla's head. And there you go, Godzilla's happy with his Burger King meal. So I had a blast drawing, creating, and imagining with you. Remember, every drawing tells a story. And I want you to check out Harptooniacs, my members-only art site, where you can try some free lessons below and become a member. And we get to draw together and learn all sorts of really cool art tips and tricks. So, grab your pencil and your paper.